What is Retell Lecture? You will listen to a lecture that is anywhere between 60 to 90 seconds long. 60, it can be sometimes 30. So let's say 30 to 90 seconds long. So right now, what are you doing? You're listening to a lecture. I'm speaking and you're listening to that, right? So same thing, you'll be listening to a lecture and you need to take notes. All right, notes of what? Everything and whatever you hear. Does it have to make sense? No. You just hear a word, you write down. Hear a word, write down. Hear a word, write down. That's all. Your job is just to do that. Okay? So, but what will happen? Then you will get 10 seconds of preparation time, and then you have to talk about that lecture for 30 to 35. All right. Now we have a template for this, but it's not the same. It's slightly different, but we don't really use a template. We use a strategy of keywords. Okay. So again, your main job is notes. Remember, so the most important thing over here is notes. Yeah. Now, how many Retell lectures we get? 1 or 2. All right. Now, sometimes, so last exam, one of my students did, they actually got a video. All right. Usually you will always get audios. Most of the time it's just a lecture, you listen, but sometimes you can get a video along with the audio, or sometimes you can also get a picture with the audio. All right. So if you get a picture or slide, it would look like this. All right. It'll have that information and then these 2 boxes. All right. But if you just have the audio, you will have only these 2 boxes. All right. Even if you have the video, you'll have the video over here. Is the video or the pictures important? No, absolutely not. There's no need for you to focus on that at all. Your job is only to listen to the audio and take notes. That's it. Your notes are the most important, not there. These are some additional things you can use later, but it's not necessary. All right. Now, this box is important even when describing image. Remember what is our ideal time? 30. So when it starts recording, it will not say recording 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds. It will just say recording. So the only way for you to understand is by this bar. All right. If the bar is here, how many seconds is that? If the bar is here, yeah, 20, right? Halfway. So the whole thing is 40, halfway is 20. Is that enough? Absolutely not. So your job is ideally to speak till here. Not till here, up till here. All right. So 30 to 35, both for describing and for Retell Lecture. Keep that in mind. All right. Now, this is the screenshot. What do you call it? The structure? Take a picture.